In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM tasks. By the end, you'll know how to create tasks, add the right details, keep them organized through associations, manage your workload, complete items cleanly, set recurring tasks, and even automate task creation with workflows. Let's start with creating a task. One straightforward way is from your main workspace. Open CRM, choose Tasks, and select Create Task. This is great when you're planning your day or building a to-do list across multiple records. You can also create tasks directly from a contact record, which is the method I recommend. Go to Contacts, open a specific contact, and click Create Task. Doing it from the contact automatically links the task to that person, so your follow-up stays attached to the right record without any extra effort. But when the task panel opens, take a moment to fill in the key details. Give the task a clear, action-oriented title like Follow Up with Client. Set a due date you can realistically meet so tasks show up in the right order. Choose the task type, call, email, or to-do, so you know exactly how you'll take action. Pick a priority level, such as high, medium, or low, to help you focus on what matters most. And don't skip the notes field. Add any context, talking points, or links you'll need when it's time to execute. A few seconds of detail up front saves minutes later. Before saving, confirm associations. Make sure the task is linked to the relevant contact, company, and deal. Proper associations keep everything organized, ensure your activity history is complete, and help your team see the full picture across records. To review and manage your work, head to CRM, then Tasks. Use filters to narrow by due date, sort by priority to surface the most important items first, and quickly spot anything overdue so nothing falls through the cracks. This view becomes your command center for daily execution. When you finished a task, click Mark as complete. Keeping tasks current gives you accurate reporting, a cleaner task list, and momentum for the next action. If a follow-up is needed, create the next task right away while details are fresh. For repeated work, set recurring tasks. Create a task, enable repeat, and choose daily, weekly, or monthly. Add clear titles and notes so recurring items remain meaningful over time. Finally, consider automating with workflows. For example, automatically create a follow-up task when a new lead appears, or assign a call task when a deal moves to a new stage. Automation ensures consistent, timely action without manual effort. That's it. You're ready to use HubSpot CRM tasks with confidence.